Bangladesh is moving forward. People of Bangladesh depends heavily on the capital city Dhaka, causing massive congestion in the city's traffic system. Commuting inside the city, the urgency to mitigate the mass transportation problems in Dhaka prompted the Bangladesh government to seek expansion and modernization of the city's mass transit system. In 2016, Bangladesh government laid out the revised strategic transport plan for Greater Dhaka and its adjoining areas. The proposed plan includes implementation of 5 mass rapid transport MRT and 2 bus rapid transit BRT. As per the Dhaka Urban Traffic Project Formulation Study conducted by Japan International Cooperation Agency JICA, Bangladesh government identified the MRT Line 6 as a high priority and decided to implement the project on a fast-track basis. Under the Ministry of Road Transport and Bridges, and by supervision of Dhaka Transport Coordination Authority and joint financing from the Bangladesh government and Japan International Cooperation Agency, Dhaka Mass Transit Company Limited is implementing the MRT Line 6 project to make life easier for everyone in Dhaka. The elevated metro rail system will run all the way from Uttara to Motijil, covering the distance of about 20 kilometers with 16 stations along the way. The stations are Uttara North, Uttara Center, Uttara South, Pollopi, Mirpur 11, Mirpur 10, Kazipara, Sheorapara, Agargaon, Bijoy Shoroni, Farmgate, Karan Bazar, Shahbag, Dhaka University, Bangladesh Secretariat, and Motijil. The approximate travel time will be a little more than half an hour. To maintain and use MRT Line 6 properly, an international standard rolling stock will be deployed. There will be 24 sets of trains, each set consisting of 6 cars initially, with an option of running 8 cars per set in the future. To maintain the high standard of operation and to ensure efficiency and optimal use, a modern Operation Control Center will be established to monitor and control all activities of the MRT Line 6. Uttara North Station, situated in Uttara 3rd Phase, will serve as a transportation hub. MRT Line 6 will act as a catalyst to make Uttara 3rd Phase project a very lucrative one. After completion of all 3 stations in Uttara, the commutable and active area of Dhaka city will get expanded. People residing along the route of MRT Line 6 and its peripheral areas will be able to get the nearest station by bus, CNG, bicycle, or local feeder service for a fastest possible commute. The stations will be equipped with all modern facilities, in accordance with an international standard including modern features such as escalators, lifts, CCTV surveillance, automatic fare collection system, etc. In order to ensure safety for the passengers, platform screen doors will be installed on all stations. Universal access irrespective of class and creed, gender, age, physical disability will be ensured.
অনুগ্রহ করে দরজা থেকে সরে দাঁড়িয়ে ট্রেন চালু করতে সহায়তা করুন।
The metro rail cars will be equipped with modern features like information display, well-organized seating arrangement, air conditioning with designated space for wheelchairs. The viaduct running along the median of the road will be generally 10 meters high. In order to reduce vibration and noise, floating slab track (FLS), continuous welded rails (CWR), and noise barrier wall will be installed. During peak hours, the trains will run every 4 minutes 30 seconds. A total of 60,000 passengers will be able to commute per hour on this route. An estimated total of 5 lakh people will commute by MRT Line 6 every day. Once finished, it will be the most reliable, time and fuel efficient, safe, comfortable and environment-friendly public transport that will transform Dhaka into a more active, commutable and sustainable city. Metro Rail will be a significant milestone in realizing the Sonar Bangla that Bangabandhu dreamt of. Dhaka Mass Transit Company, moving people, saving time and energy.